Chef Ferguson is in the kitchen. Collect all ingredients needed and place on station, then dice herbs. Meanwhile, put in your oil to heat. Here we have sugar, salt, our significant JIF peanut butter, red curry paste and sriracha, oregano, and also we have ground turkey along with our herbs. In your heated pan, saute your herbs and then add your oregano. Also include your sugar and salt. Add in that significant JIF peanut butter along with your red curry paste. Going savory with an ingredient such as peanut butter is a twist. For all my peanut butter fans, this savory dish is for you. While making this dish, I thought to myself that this would be a great vegan dish. However, if you were to turn this into a vegan dish, you would have to use vegan beef. Using the vegan beef, you would have to add half a cup of water to your vegan meat to hydrate the meat. After mixing all of your ingredients and allowing the peanut butter to evenly distribute, this is the consistency in which you would look for. Oh my god, this smelled so good. Now it's time for the pun pot layering. This is our first layer of meat. Now we are going to add a layer of our creamy peanut butter sauce. This peanut butter sauce is made from 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and 1 tablespoon of red curry paste. Now it's time to lay our oven-baked lasagna on top. Make sure to allow each lasagna piece to overlap over each other. After doing this step, add your cheese and repeat 2 more times. Wrap your lasagna nicely and place in oven to bake for 35 minutes. If using a conventional oven, allow to bake for 40 minutes. And here is the final look. You know, when you cook food, you just gotta taste it right. So I had to try this and listen. When I say this was bussin', I mean this was bussin'. 10 out of 10. Yes, Chef Ferguson did it again. This is her homemade spicy peanut butter lasagna. For more promos on how to make exotic dishes with JIF Peanut Butter, stay connected with Chef Ferguson. If you haven't taken down my recipe, what are you waiting for? Here it is.